Good afternoon, apes, and welcome back to Meme Market Now, your daily HQ for AMC stock news, market moves, and all the latest from the world of meme stocks. I'm Andrea, reporting from the studio, sending big shout-outs to all Diamond Hand legends tuning in. We've got a pivotal update today. AMC has officially announced they'll release their second quarter 2025 earnings on Monday, August 11th, after market close. That's less than 2 weeks away, and anticipation is building across the ape community, with Q&A submissions open now for Investor Connect members. With options volatility spiking and price action heating up, all eyes are on what AMC's leadership will unveil this quarter. Now, let's toss it over to Paul for a deeper ape-lysis of what this could signal for the stock.
Thanks, Andrea. The Q2 earnings announcement is creating serious buzz in the forums and on social media, especially as AMC's current stock price sits at $3.045 as of July 29th, with a slight 2.1% dip from the previous close but a background of persistent swings. Options volumes have surged this week, with increasing open interest in out-of-the-money calls, clear signs that some apes are betting big on an earnings surprise or key updates from CEO Adam Aron. Short interest remains elevated, fueling ongoing speculation about a potential squeeze. Community sentiment leans bullish, with Investor Connect members prepping tough questions, ranging from debt restructuring to new revenue streams. With the possibility of surprises during the live webcast, sentiment is mixed but mostly optimistic. Back to you, Andrea.
Thanks, Paul. For our second story, Roth Capital has just released new analysis projecting weaker earnings for AMC this quarter, citing industry-wide headwinds and summer box office softness. This could dampen near-term expectations, but some in the ape community argue it's simply analysts doubling down against the retail crowd. On the other hand, AMC's management remains focused on innovation in guest experience, loyalty programs, and premium content. Factors retail investors believe are underappreciated by Wall Street. To capture the community pulse, Farah is reporting live from an AMC theater. Farah, what's the vibe outside?
Thanks, Andrea. I'm here at AMC's flagship cinema, and the energy is electric. Even with bearish analyst notes, apes here are doubling down, lining up for summer blockbusters and sharing optimism about AMC's brand staying power. I spoke to several hodlers who see this as another opportunity. Analysts always underestimate us, but we know what AMC stands for, said one retail investor. On social media, dire AMC hold is trending again, with calls for unity as earnings day approaches. Whether it's community-organized movie nights or grassroots DD threads, the passion remains sky high. Back to you, Andrea.
Thank you, Farah. Today's top stories. AMC's much-anticipated Q2 earnings call is set for August 11th, and the community's already gearing up to make their voices heard. Despite forecasts of weaker results from Roth Capital, apes are staying fierce, determined, and laser-focused on the bigger picture. If you're fired up for earnings, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay in the know. Drop your price targets or DD in the comments. Ape together strong, everyone. This is Andrea from Meme Market. Now reminding you, stay united, stay informed, and keep those diamond hands unbreakable.